As a Vice President of Dr. Y. Ramanov, Prakash Naik, a President of Goa Powerlifting Association President, Suresh Ali, the Games Director, and the key man of this organized committee, Mr. Kushali Vidika, the lighting lamp of today's function, उज्ज्वल आयच्या या फंक्शनाक दीप प्रज्वलन विश्वासाची प्रतीक strengthening of the people of Goa vision and विश्वास हांचे भितर ही दीप प्रज्वलन तुमचे मुखार आसर जिसको population
तुमकां सगळ्यांक उमेद दिवकार आयच्या ह्या दिसा मास्टर्स गेम्स फाउंडेशन आपले फर्स्ट इवेंट दे आर ऑर्गनायझिंग इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. इज द फर्स्ट इवेंट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. I must congratulate Sri Prashant, the president of this organization, for having decided to come to Goa for the first event, and our Kushali Vidika, who has been instrumental in getting this event here. We have Chairperson of Margam Municipal Council, Sri Damodar Shronkar, Yogesh Kamat, other office bearers of your masters, Power Games, Master Games Foundation, and all the participants, friends. Goa is known for sports today. Goa is a favorite destination for sports events. Maximum events are taking place in the state of Goa, whether it is in swimming, badminton, you name the sports event, and you will find lots of events taking place in the state of Goa. It helps both the purposes. Recently, we had badminton championship for senior players, about 50 plus, 60 plus, 70 plus. They come with their families, they play the game. Plus, in addition to that, they visit entire state and see the natural beauty of Goa. So that helps both the purposes. Without much of a problem, you can participate and you can visit the state also. So I must congratulate Prashant and his team for having decided to finalize the best destination in the country today is Goa for all the sports events, and I wish him all the best in his championships. Whenever he wants to hold in Goa, he should come and hold a big event in the state of Goa. Thank you very much.
World Power Masters Games.
Wait. Yeah.
World Masters Games Foundation is conducting World Masters Power Games. First time in India it is being happening. Now we included only two events in these games, powerlifting and arm wrestling. In the future, definitely we are thinking to add more events. Why we are conducting for powerlifting and arm wrestling? There is no much opportunities for the lifters and arm wrestlers in international level. So we are trying to make a platform and give an opportunity to the powerlifters and arm wrestlers. From 2017 in India, National Masters Games is being conducted for the players who have passed their age 30 and till it's going on. And in 2024, we have conducted our National Masters Games in Goa, and it was a nice experience. Almost 6,000 players were participated, and we have the great thing is we have conducted competitions in 22 sporting events. Now we are looking to add 2 more events also in the future, and our coming National Masters Games is next year in Hyderabad. We are planning in Hyderabad to conduct the next National Masters Games. We all are expect your hearthold support. Thank you.
What message giving to youth?
That's our message, or otherwise our motto is healthy society for a healthy nation. This is the motto, and the important thing is now the youths are going behind the drugs. That means scheduled drugs. Now the only suggestion, only I can say that make sports as a drug. That's it. Make sports as a drug. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. World Power Master Power Games 2026 Powerlifting and Arm Wrestling Competition आमी गोंयांत घडोवन हाडला. आमकां खूब बरें दिसता की आमचो चेअरमॅन कुशाली वेर्डीकर एलायस बाप्पा हाणें खूब सपोर्ट केला गोंयांत हे स्पोर्ट्स करपाक, बॉडी बिल्डींग तशें पावर लिफ्टींग. आतांचे भुरगे आमी यंग भुरग्यांक आमी हातूंत स्पोर्ट्सांत वयर काडपाक सोदतात, तेन्ना आमी आमकां एक बरी मेसेज दिवपाक सोदतात यंग भुरग्यांक की तुमी येवन स्पोर्ट्स करात, स्पोर्ट्सांत भाग घेयात इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टींग टायम ऑन मोबायल्स. तशेंच आमचो मारगांवचो MLA दिगंबर कामत सरजी, पावर PWD मिनिस्टर आनी ex-CM हाणें बी आमकां ह्या खेळा खातीर खूब प्रोत्साहन दिलां. तशेंच योगीराज कामत आसा, ताणें भुरग्यां खातीर मॉडल मारगांव म्हणून एक स्टँड घेतला आनी तातूंत ताणें स्पोर्ट्सांत भुरग्यां खातीर खूब हें केलां. इवन बॅडमिंटनाक ताणें खूब प्रोत्साहन दिलां स्पोर्ट्सा लागून. भुरग्यांक जाता तितलें येवपाचें अशें योगीराज सराक दिसता. ताणें येवन हो स्पोर्ट्स करपाचो. आनीक हो इवेंट इतलो बरो आसा की मास्टर्साक आसा. देर इज नो लिमीट, एज लिमीट इन दी स्पोर्ट्स. Young and seniors also can participate in Goa. Welcome everybody. In Goa we are first time we are organizing Masters Games Foundation World Master Power Games Powerlifting and Arm Wrestling. हे आमी पयले पाटीं गोंयाक हें करून हाडला आनीक हाडलें तें आमी फक्त आमच्या बाप्पाक लागून, बाप्पा वेर्डीकर, कुशाली वेर्डीकरान हे सगळें इनिशिएटीव घेतला आनी ही इज द चेअरमॅन ऑफ दीस ऑर्गनायजेशन आनी ही इज ऑर्गनायज व्हेरी गुड. हांव हें सांगपाक सोदतां की स्पोर्ट्स ह्या सगळ्या युथाक लागून, कित्याक यूथ गोईंग बिहायंड ड्रग्स एंड दीस, सो तांणी स्पोर्ट्साक येवन एज अ ड्रग्स म्हणून तांणी काम करपाक जाय, इतलेंच सांगपाक सोदतां.
Shot.